goes up must come down. But I'm so high, I might not ever land. Moonwalking on the clouds. I got that love straight from Neverland. You stop that acting foul, 'cause you can't.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are just now tuning in for the first time, my name is 𝘾𝙝𝙠, and I've been gone for a little bit, you know what I'm saying? But I do this shit all the time, y'all know what it is. But, I mean, if you want to show your girl some love and you want me to get more videos,
hit that subscribe button.
I'm gonna give you a minute. Did you hit it? But did you push it? But did you push it? Okay.
I done told y'all. Anyways, I have a very inexpensive wig haul for y'all today, and from Amazon.com. Amazon, you know what it is. I'm not gonna hold y'all up too much with a very long intro. I'm probably gonna have to edit this like crazy, but I'm not gonna hold y'all up long with a very long intro. So if you want to continue to see how I installed and know more information about this wig, keep watching. Oh, and there's gonna be a link in the bottom for the wig. The wig is $316. It is 8 inches from Amazon, $69. Lovely, okay? It came nothing fancy. It came in a bag, which, I mean, it's $69. What did I think it was gonna come in? It came with this wig cap. I know y'all love that baldness. And then it did come with like 3 combs in it. They were like right here, right there, and right here. And I cut them out, of course. It had a little lace in the back, and then it has this strap. It is a little big for my head, so I gotta make sure I'm either gonna clip these like this, or I'm gonna have to tie them or something. For now, we're just gonna clip it. It came curled with like a little bump in it, but what I did was just flat iron it, just really straight, because I wanted a like edgy, blunt bob look, you know. I didn't cut anything off of it. It came like that. I mean, it's a little straight hairs here and there. That's mostly from me cutting the lace and tweezing it. What I did to the wig, I usually, like on the blonde wigs, I've noticed that if you don't like, I guess like color your roots, it has a tendency to have like that, I don't know, just the knots. Damn, I can't even talk today. The knots in it are like really blonde. So what I did was I took like a dark blonde, cheap ass dark blonde color, put it on the bottom so I could do the knots. I also added on my foundation color so it blend in. I cut the lace on my head. I don't know where it's at right now, but of course I use an eyebrow razor because it gives an edgy look, and then I just go through with the scissors if it's like those little jagged pieces coming on, but I do like to cut it on my head. I mean, it is nice. I can't really say there's any shedding because like only time I saw any shedding is when like a minute ago when I cut the lace and things like that. So I mean, it's good reviews. Stiff wear me. So let's go ahead and get this wig on and see how it's looking, okay? Line it up, because what I like to do after that is kind of mark it out, you know, so I don't put glue over, because I mean, I don't mind having to go back fix some shit, but I don't like when it's like a lot of glue all over the place, you know what I'm saying? So let's just keep it cute. catfishing foreheads, okay? I'm catfishing foreheads. I realize how far back it is, and I'm okay with that because this is where it's gonna be at. And if you don't like it, don't look at it. Okay, bitch? Cause I be seeing some girls, I don't know how they be doing it, and they put their makeup on and they just put their glue on, and I be like, baby girl, baby girl, you're not trying to keep this in for a long time, huh? It's my life. So today I'm gonna use the Esha Absolute Lace Bond Glue. It look a little ratchet because it be thrown in my makeup bag sometimes, but this is what we use. take a little bit of this, because I don't want all that exclude on there, and just put a little bit on there. With your finger, sis. Let's hope that don't get down in my eyebrows. It's gonna be over there. Yeah, those little pieces like that. And with your finger, okay? I did it. Okay, so I'm back, and hopefully you can see me. Turn off the lights of this camera. About all I did while I was gone, because low-key I almost was late for work, y'all, so I'm on my lunch break now. I just wrapped it with some black paper wrap strips, Santa wrap strips, whatever you want to call them, and laid it down really good. And then I cleaned up, you know, just where those stray little pieces were where I didn't want. One thing I'll say, and this is completely my fault, I did not mean to bring it up this far, but you just bear with me, because this is the first time I ever did anything like this on camera, and I probably should have had a bigger mirror, so I wouldn't have put it so far on my forehead. But you know what? We're gonna make it work, because it's on here now. It's on here. It's not going nowhere. But I love this. Stiff wear, baby. Stiff wear. I'm gonna show out this weekend. I just want y'all to know that. But I'll honestly say I really didn't get any shedding, unless like I cut around the edges to cut the thing, and then it's like it kind of shed everything out, because you know once white hair get everywhere, it's everywhere. But this hair feels so good. Looks so good. I didn't keep it like bone straight like it was. I just added like a slight bump. I did curl it up a little bit. I was playing with it. I mean, you can flip it to either side. It's not a really big parting space as far as on the sides, but it goes about to right, probably a little further right there. Let me stop messing up my hair, but you get what I'm saying. Oh, and then I didn't tell y'all too what else I did to this. I did, I hate this, but that's the only one I could find. But I did use, it's Everpure sulfate-free color care system blonde shampoo, anti-brassiness. I like this one, but I don't know if y'all can see. It's like super lavendery. It's not as purple as the one I usually use, but I always use a blonde shampoo. I never use the one for the gray one, but that's just personal preference. I think blonde should go with blonde. And I didn't want to use a toner, because I didn't know how this hair was going to react, because really my plan was get this, test it out, because I want to get maybe like 2 more of these. One, I'm going to keep this one probably blonde, then I'm going to turn the other 2 like some maybe like neon green and a copper color, because your girl going to Vegas next month, boo-boo, and for my birthday, and I just want to be all kinds of ratchet. I mean, you get it. What's the problem? Don't mind it. But like I said in the beginning, if you like this, if you enjoyed it, definitely like, comment, rate, subscribe, do all that extra shit. Subscribe, because it's be hella people watching my videos and they ain't even subscribers. You know they give you statistics, baby, and like 5% of the people are to me, and the rest are not. I don't care if you're men, women, whatever. If you're gonna watch, show your girl some love, because I'm tired. I work a lot. So slipping this in here right here lets me know to keep doing it, because people enjoy it. Because when you don't, no, you're just sitting out here. But anyways, I'm rambling. Let's not even worry about all that.